Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to set up Authenticator for Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app and sign in, then go to Settings, tap Security, and select Two-Factor Authentication to begin. Choose Authenticator app when prompted, scan the QR code with your Authenticator, and enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Save backup codes in a secure place and consider linking Authy to another device for recovery in case you lose your phone. Start by installing an Authenticator app from your App Store, like Google Authenticator or Authy, and grant any required permissions. Open the app and tap the Add Account icon, then choose to scan a QR code or enter a setup key manually. Keep the Coinbase setup screen open while you scan the QR code so you can copy the 6-digit code into Coinbase immediately. Finish by saving recovery codes somewhere safe and confirming the 2FA activation in Coinbase. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep salads and sauces secure, perfect for when you're juggling security and a busy schedule. I find them great for packed lunches between steps of setup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, give them a try. Now let's get back to the video. If the 6-digit code is rejected, first check that your phone clock is set to automatic time, since time drift breaks top codes. Try resensing the Authenticator app or remove and re-add the Coinbase account in the app if necessary. Keep your backup codes handy to regain access quickly, and avoid contacting support until you've tried local recovery steps. These simple checks usually resolve the majority of setup and sync issues without stress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.